Thank you for watching. This is Yvette with Scrappy Acts, and today's Scrappy Act is a little last minute wedding gift idea. It is such a cute little folio, and I did slow this video down a bit because I made it a while back ago, and it was just to show the couple how to actually use it. So it wasn't really intended for this video, but I thought I have it. It's so beautiful. Every time I look at it, I love it so much. And the couple still just talk about how much they loved it. So I thought I'd do a little video. The back of the folio, I did put a stand so they can have it as a display element as well. I believe it was I would say like a 5 by 7, maybe a little bit taller. I forget the measurements, but it was, so cute. It's just a little trifold. I used two different paper packs on here. Both I think I got from Michael's, and so the ones with the flowers and the birds is one paper pack. And then you'll see a lot of black and white and gold, and those papers are from the wedding pack that I had from Michael's, which till this day I still have papers from it. Not maybe not full sheets, but more like scraps because I've used it in so many projects. You can use it in other projects that have nothing to do with wedding because it had a lot of beautiful backgrounds with just lace or just like stripes. So there was a lot to do that you could do with it, but I definitely got a lot out of it for the weddings that happened around my life that I was able to gift people things that I was able to utilize this pack for. So those are all the little like tags and things that they can either write on the memories or pictures at the top in the center folio. On the uh, left side of the folio, I had an accordion, which has also where they could circle the day and month of their wedding. And then that center bottom is the sliding waterfall. And you'll see at the bottom comes out the paper where it shows like happily ever after, love, and things like that. And so this was just so they could put all their little pictures if they wanted to in their in a little album, so a little keepsake for them. Um, and that I think was pretty much it. It was a very simple gift. It wasn't, to me, it was quick. I was able to do it like in an hour, maybe hour or two. And I just happened to have those flowers and things. I always kind of have stuff on hand because I'm always doing projects. So they loved it. They thought it was the cutest, and I just every time I see it, I'm so happy of what I was able to create in such little quick time as a last minute gift. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.